What really inspired me to start Windows Plus was I was a lead installer in this industry, a subcontractor for a lot of our competition. And I seen customers paying top dollar for products and they weren't necessarily getting the warranty they were thinking they were getting. So what I really wanted to do was offer the top-notch installation with the right quality product with a true non-prorated lifetime guarantee for the customers so they can make sure that they were actually getting what they paid for. Here at Windows Plus, we offer replacement windows, entry doors, bath and shower remodels, and we also do kitchen cabinet refacing and siding and soffit and gutters. When I originally started Windows Plus, there was just a handful of us, maybe 4 or 5. Over the last few years, we've actually grown that to over 48 employees now. What makes us really stand out compared to everybody else in the industry is our people. Our people truly care about their job and about our customers. We actually have a motto that we live by, which is helping the customers improve their homes, but also improve their lives. Because what we're offering, a permanent solution, so that way that they're never having to spend the money on this product again or this project. Once we get it done the first time for them, it's going to be the last time. Our employees truly care from the first touch all the way to the finished project that our customers are completely satisfied. How we like for our customers to feel after working with us is that they made a great investment and that the company really truly cares about their project and other than just their project, about them. The legacy that I'd like to leave behind is being known for doing the right thing, regardless if it's the easiest thing to do. I also have small children that one day I would like to be able to bring into the company and them to be able to continue on the legacy that way as well.